guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am testing out the Clarisonic-Mia Smart, and I'm not doing any of the fancy programming this time just because I want to see what the original wash feels like. So I have the protective cover on the brush head right now, but I'm in my bathroom, so that's why we have a different scene behind me. I'm going to just get the brush head wet real quick. Probably should have used warm water. And then I'm just gonna put this Peaches and Cream Amazing 4-in-1 Wash Off Deep Cleansing Milk from Soap & Glory on it. I just picked this up at Target. It says it melts away makeup. I've never used it before. My go-to face wash that I generally use is it has little scrubby bubbles in it, and they said that you can't use that on this. So all I'm gonna do is, let's see, does it say 1 or 2 pumps? I'm just gonna put 1 pump on this. Let's let the product come out. I can see it. Okay, so I kind of just did like 1.5. I put it around the product like that. I've already washed my face because it said this cleans better than just your hands. And you're not supposed to wash this part of your eye with this. That's not what it's used for. So what it says is you turn it on, you do this area, it beeps. Pretty sure we're gonna do this first, then this, and then our cheeks. So let's start. You guys, this feels so weird. I'm not like a cleanser person, and it said it would beep. It doesn't hurt. The bristles are very soft, and like I said, I didn't customize this. It's not going, so beep. Now I'm gonna do this area. This face wash smells good. Okay, beeped again. I'm gonna move over to my cheeks. So the outside bristles don't move. I think it's just the inside bristles that move. Okay guys, it stopped. But before I take it off and look at it, remember I said I just washed my face. I think I washed my face pretty good. I mean, it's not stark white anymore, so there is a little bit of makeup left on it. I kind of want to do my forehead again. I don't feel like I did that right, so we're gonna do it one more time. And this is just the first daily cleanse button. And I feel like maybe I was moving too fast the first time because I was scared I wasn't gonna get my whole face done in time. Okay, so my face is like a little bit red where it was scrubbing at it, but it's not bad. And I mean, I did it twice, so, and it feels not numb, but like, I almost want to say rejuvenated. And the bristles are a little bit dirtier this time. So I'm gonna wash this off and see if we can get that remainder, like it's not as white as it was. Okay, so I just cleaned that off, and it is actually a lot whiter, so it did take off quite a bit of makeup that was buried deep down in my pores, which is mainly why I got this. I have really big pores in this area, and I want them gone. Okay guys, but once you're done doing that, you can't just leave your face wash on your face. So I'm just taking a rag and I'm gonna wipe it off. So I got this because it says it minimizes pores. Now, I am trying to do everything I can to take care of my skin. There's no product underneath my eyes, it's just leftover mascara from when I initially washed my face. So I'm just trying to lighten it up so I don't look so scary. Now, this is it worth the money? I think so. I really do like to have you guys in the middle right there. You can see there's like a switch type thing. That will go completely red when you need a new brush head, which for me is a good thing. I have kids and I'm lucky if I remember what day to take them to their activities and things like that. So I'm glad they have this little timer essentially to tell you, hey girl, it's about time you spruced me up a little bit. I will be downloading the app and doing like a personalized cleanse for my own face, but I will say, like just looking in the mirror, my face is a lot smoother, like especially up here on my forehead minus my pimple, but even my pimple feels flatter after using that. Is that even possible? I have no clue. But like my forehead feels like a baby's bottom. And right here on my cheeks too. Right here I have scarring, acne scarring, and larger pores. And then here I have an acne scar, or it's acne that hasn't decided to completely go away yet. But like the tip of my chin feels like a baby's bum too, and so does my nose. Like you guys can see in the video, you can see like I look like I have highlighter on, and I don't. You guys just saw me wash my face. So I think that's something really cool. You could check it out. You don't have to get the Mia Smart one. I just got it because it was the newest one out, and I like that you can personalize your face wash, your face cleansing routine. So that's why I got that one. And so that's why I got that one, and it had the newer brush head on it. I didn't want to have to sit and like gamble. I don't think their older versions come with the newer brush head, but the newer brush head does fit onto that. So I didn't want to have to gamble, use the one that it came with, and then never know when to replace it or replace it too soon. This from Soap and Glory is, so far, first impressions, is an A+. It smelled amazing. It's very smooth. It didn't hurt my face. The twist top pumps I usually have a hard time with because it's like I can't travel with this. It's gonna pump everywhere. This one has a locking device, so you can't pump more out. I love that. And I also got this, just so you guys know what made me think to get this one, is that it says it's a special clogged pore formula. And this said that it was good at removing pores, and so I'm like, let's just tag team these two and see what it can do with my pore situation, because there was a lot. I do feel like it minimized the ones here. Not so much here this time, but watching the video back, I may not have like gotten right here. You know what I'm saying? This is like, it's a good weight. It's not like super, super light where you're like, I feel like I'm holding nothing and I'm gonna drop it. But it's also not like, okay, lifted my weights for the day type of a feeling. It has a really nice hand and handle to it. So far I really, really like it. I'm excited to see the Bluetooth feature, and I will keep you guys updated on that. Oh, one more thing I wanted to mention. The only thing that kind of bugs me is it came with a USB adapter. So I have to borrow the one for my phone or go buy one when I already spent like $200 on this. I have to go spend the money, go buy one for a plug-in, which usually they're not that expensive, but for me it's just like, what was your thought process there? Not everybody lives in a nice new home that has the USB outlets. Y'all know what I'm saying? Although I wish I did. I wish I lived in a home that had the USB outlets. That would be sweet. Anyways, So that's something that just kind of bugs me a little bit, but not too bad. Anyways, that's all I have for you guys tonight. Thank you guys so much for watching, and welcome all my new subscribers. I've noticed that my numbers have gone up quite a few the past couple of days, so welcome. And you guys, as always, be polished, wear polish, and a little superstition never hurt. We'll catch you guys later. Bye!